lovely Munchkins, and welcome in this video. And this is some kind of shade or yay after my cosmetic haul. I know I'm late, but I wouldn't do this kind of videos like monthly basis that I would do something in May and then on end of the May I would do review if the products are good or no, or if they are good for me or if they are not, because I have a lot of products, and here I have lots of products for my face. So here we are on a new video, and first of all I would probably show you the not good things at all. And the worst things what I have here are these two things. They are awful. That smell is horrible. This Viva Cuba is lemon and hibiscus. It smells so horrible that I wanna vomit after I smell it. And when you will use it, because this is deodorant, okay? This is here, and I tried that. I almost knocked myself down when I did this, and after some time, like after maybe hour, it smelled like you rotten, like alive. It smelled horrible. So this is something what I definitely not recommend, and maybe you can use it as a repellent for insects. Like, I'm sorry, but no. This is on the same basic. It smells horrible too, but I'm using this like a fresh in a room. I have ferrets, so this is like good when some people coming like my home, and I was like, I need the fresh air. I'm using this, but that's like all. I'm not using this on myself because I hate that smell on myself. And seriously, after like 1 hour, it start smell really very horrible on person. Next thing are these three cuties. These are shower gels, and I love them. Like, each one of them are amazing, and I'm so sad that any of these I can't afford anymore, because these were like a limit, and here I can't find it, because if I'm right, I bought them in Germany, and I'm sad about that, so whatever. Like these three, I'm giving them like thumbs up, like definitely thumbs up. Next thing what I have here is this amazing trio. I said in the cosmetic haul that not every moisturized cream or face is not what is wrote on the package. This was like 72 euros if I'm right, and it's not 72 hours, but it's long enough for me that when I put this before my work, I have 8-hour shifts. When I'm walking back home, it's still on my face and I still can feel it, so I'm happy about that. These two things are tried that match for makeup because it didn't remove my makeup. This is comforting and makeup removing. Not that much good for very pricey makeup. It can be like for some shades what I'm using normally, because I don't love like that so much makeup which would stay on your face for really hours. So yeah, this is like good but not that good. You can't just use this. You will need to use this after using this for cleaning your face completely. And for my dry skin, it's still not enough even when these two cuties are totally for dry skin. It's not still enough for my dry skin, so I still need to find something more for dry skin. But it's good if you have like really light dry skin, buy it. For me, it's still not enough. I have some problem with my face, I'm sorry. Next, I have here this two combo, which is whitening soap and whitening cream. You need to use them. You will wash your face and then put cream on your face. It's actually good. I had really big problem with red spot on my face, and this helping me, and actually it toned my face in one color because I had really big problem with pigment. Sometimes I was much darker, somewhere I was like too like light on my face. I had like different color spot on my face, which was really funny sometimes, and I really needed to put a makeup on my face. And currently during summer I can't use that much makeup because I'm allergic. Outside is something like don't go there, Lizzy, because you will be puffy as hell, and this is helping me with this problem that I don't need to use that much makeup on my face, and I have like one tone on my face during the whole time, and I'm so happy about that. But like you need to use it like every day, like every time, and after you totally clean your face. Like you need to totally clean your face and do this two combo. Next thing, what I have here is good and not good at the same time, and this made me so much cry. This is a black mask and a charcoal activated cleansing gel. Not good at all, and it made me cry because I was so excited to try it, because I never tried like a charcoal cleansing gel before. So I was like, oh my god, I can wait for that. But in the end, not good at all, and I was like, okay, nothing for me, so I probably will just pass that to someone else. And this mask is not helping at all, and it's not in like one piece. When you like pulling that out, it's still like ripping in small parts, and it drives me crazy. Like I will like maybe I would end it, or I would give that to my mom or someone else, but for me this is not that good how I think it would be. So no. Next I have here this cuties, and if about these cuties I can say anything bad at all. And now I totally get it why this over here is in NYX cosmetic, like in the state when you're trying their makeup, and this is what they have there. And now I knew why. It's amazing. Like seriously guys, this remove really good makeup. Like beautiful, that's this, and it's down, like seriously. This is really good and I love it. This in other hand is not for my type, and I knew that it wouldn't be good at all for me, but I normally like use this after this, and like I can't say anything bad about this, but it's not for my type. So my dry skin after using this for a sensitive and mixed, it wasn't for my skin so much good. But you know, my skin doesn't talk, so she can't tell me like stop using that. But I would, like, I doesn't have that much here, and I would just probably pass it to my mom. Like seriously, I stopping use something what is not for my skin at all. Okay, we have last things here. Next is this cute thing from Essence, which is that 4-in-1 anti-spot cream wash. It's good. It's really good. I like it. It's really good smell. But still, it's good and not good in the same time. For my friend, she had a sensitive skin. For her it was amazing. For my dry skin, after using this, even when it's creamy, because it is creamy and have really good smell, I had a little problems, but when using that with something that was just like that sponge, and you're doing this like peeling, it's okay, but not as a mask. Okay. But as a mask, it's drying my skin a lot, so I'm just putting that on face really quickly, make peeling, and then wash it out. I'm not leaving that on my skin, because after that my skin is very dry, and even the most moisturized cream on my face is not enough. Then I have here these cuties, and these are the best. Normally when I use any other shampoos and conditioners, I needed wash my face, wash my hair 2 times or 3 times in a row. But with this shampoo, I doesn't need to do that. I just need wash my hair once and then put the conditioner, and I'm very happy about that. And with this amazing thing is best thing in my life. Like seriously guys, you wouldn't believe me, but this is something what I will buy from now on, like until they would have it, because without this I'm not leaving my house anymore. This is the best thing in my life will ever happen, because after this, after applying Aussie 3 Miracle Oil in my hair, my life is like complete. And this is definitely not a product placement on or everything, because I'm not that amazing on YouTube. But like, I never thought something like this, something really oily after washing your hair and putting it on your hair would make your hair so nice to touch, so soft and everything. And this is like, oh my god, why did you hide yourself? Like, seriously. Like, this is the best thing, really, best thing in my life ever happened after my family. And I have here last 3 things, 4 things. Here is again shower gel from Dermacol, this cutie over here. I can't say anything and like bad about that. It's still good, still same quality, and I smell that on myself even after 2 days, which is amazing because I'm sweating in my fur a lot actually. Then I have here this. I'm sorry, I couldn't find the second one what I have, and I must say this and that other thing are the best and they're doing what they are saying. I'm putting that on myself like every day, and I must say and be honest with you guys, I forgot this put on myself. Like, just tell, I put it on myself in a Monday, and on a Tuesday I totally forgot, and I still smell this on myself, and I was just like, but I didn't put that on myself. I still can smell it. How is that even possible? Yet, this is true, and I'm really happy about that. So, for me, big thumbs up for this little thing. And last thing what I have here are these 2 cuties. And with this is something what I didn't try, because trying in a month 2 things for brushing your teeth are, you can do it. I'm sorry, but you can't. Like, seriously guys, how someone can try 2 different whitening systems in the same month? It's something like what you can do. So this is something what I didn't try, so this is something what you will see in the next video when I will tell you if this worked or not, or most likely when I would have time for doing this, because I really don't like trying different type of toothpaste when I didn't finish the first one, and I didn't finish this. This is like full, and for now I can say it's good. I can see that shape of my teeth are slightly like different after like month of using, and I hope it will be good in 2 months or in 3 months, you know, when I would like finish it, because I really like, I don't know how other people have that, but I knew my friend, she had like 4 different toothpastes and she using them in the same time, and I can't